Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Tsiring and I are so excited to bring you guys along on our next big adventure. We have decided to embrace a new way of living, that is traveling and exploring Australia for the next few months in a caravan. This has been a long time dream for us, so now it's coming true. We are so excited to bring you guys along on our journey. If you are an adventure lover, stay tuned. In today's video, we are sharing our first day of caravan life. We are both so excited and a little bit nervous too because we've never lived in a caravan before. The day started with a little bit of rain, which was actually perfect because it made everything feel fresh. We all packed up with only the things that we need and ready to go. Let's dive in. This is day one of our trip. We're now heading to the caravan storage facility, and as you can see, the car is absolutely stuffed that we can't even use the rear view mirror. As we enter the caravan storage facility, we could see all these caravans parked here, making it look like a little caravan village. And somewhere among them is our lovely little home on wheels. Home sweet home.
That's our little home.
Next few months.
Next few months. Oh, so exciting. Wow! Ate si doon ka jo uzun si do. Oh, tuchi, perfect.
Okay. I'm gonna do a test tow, okay?
Okay.
Come here.
Yeah. Whoa.
So this is my first time driving at almost 100k speed towing a caravan by myself. It was a bit daunting at first, but we got used to it after driving for more than an hour, and we finally made it safely to our first stop in Burleigh Heads. Woohoo!
Welcome to the caravan park. Are we parking in here?
No, you're going there.
Oh, that side.
Yeah. But we're just going to back across here.
From here?
Yeah, we're going to go straight through here.
Oh, okay.
You're on 216, that one there.
Oh, got it.
You know what I mean?
Thank you. Where would be a perfect spot to keep my camera?
Beside the tree up there.
Okay, thank you.
Keep it hard there. Keep it hard.
So that stuff there, he's helping us with the instructions here. I was the one supposed to do that. It's gonna be a little bit difficult for me because the setup is not the same as when we were practicing. So it's really difficult in the real place, you know. Brent.
Yeah.
Thank you, Brent. I'm T.
No problem.
Thank
Nice
you so
meeting
much.
you.
That was a big help. See ya. Alright. How did you go?
I'm not satisfied.
Why?
It looks fine, but I didn't do it myself, so
It's okay, baby.
this is our first time, so it's
We'll
okay,
always
I
have
guess.
someone to help, I guess.
We should be getting used to after a while.
Fatih baca nih bu Gin. Gin. Fatih shoot.
Şey, basma sesi dağladı, mata yemeyelim. Open this.
Oh. Morning is done. Okay, let me show you our little home. Alright. That's our kitchen. That's our little bedroom. This one is the dining. And we've got some stuffs here we need to arrange. That's me. And oh my god. The toilet, the shower. It's very, very compact and tiny, but we've got everything we need here.
Evet.
Huh?
Şey, gola da ben ostan yüzünü mesela.
Which bit?
Vay, Caravan gola süt kesin gayı bağlıyorum.
Gola şu an bir ayrama. Yürü sapmıyor mu? Gola. Space for my kitchen.
Hey, bye bye. Yok. Kim canı
That's Mitchell. Wow.
Ready?
Ah, looks good.
Bakalım. 지금 마음 조이스럽지? 나도 많이 있던데.
No, we're better.
그래, 같이 조이.
안 돼.
어? 한 대를 사서.
Let's show you what you want.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our...
Hello everyone, good one. Hello everyone, so it's the cool film. Yeah, ready? Go. Hand ki just not so use my mess.
Okay.
Normal pajama.
Finally come true. Lapching lagi. Ana betang ito ka.
Yeah.
Betang ji cheki transition betang ito.
Okay.
I'm Chino baby.
Yeah. Yeah, ready? Go.
Come you to join with us. Come on. Groceries. Oh, Siring and I. Yeah, look the dish.
Okay. Kade be mo soup mache?
Laptop ya. Play. Acha, kade be alam you with this.
Yeah, tu pe. Chicks pe me ya.
Ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ready?
Ready.
Hello everyone.
I cannot.
Hello everyone. Birthday ke. Decided to embrace.
Okay.
Okay. Has been a long dream.